far as the quality on this video is just slightly different. I'm testing out a camera that I bought for my third to be able to, so they can start back recording and stuff. This is a Emerson BBC 1700, I think. The Big Lots ad calls it a HD 5 megapixel camcorder. It does have a still picture mode, but that's the still pictures actually, the resolution of the still pictures is actually higher than the pictures taken of my iPod Touch. And besides it adding a little bit of digital noise to the audio, it does pretty good. Like I actually played a couple songs through it. Played a song through it that I knew was kind of loud, and turned my speakers up on my computer all the way, and it actually sounded pretty good then. So there's that, and it also has a ability to switch between 720p, which I have in right now, to 640 by 480 VGA resolution, which the VGA resolution is about a 4 gig card and should be able to deliver about 2 hours worth of recording. So there's that, and there's the fact that it's $25 for the price, it really can't be beat. Well, there's hello? The same? Wow. I do believe this is actually the same camera. Hey, Big Lots has something that Walmart has, but cheaper. What a change. I guess you could consider this video a sample of how my videos will be when I get my camera. So yeah, that's cool. Well, until next time, take care.